Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
There basically is, in every practical sense, potential for Star Atlas DAO cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as exceptionally high as $1.18 toward 2025 in a genuinely significant manner's end. Star Atlas DAO cost conjecture proposes a chance of polies exchanging between $5.42 to $6.45 in 2030 in a quite enormous manner. Star Atlas DAO is at present estimated at $778 in the market in an unpretentious way. The typical extended cost for Star Atlas DAO in 2040 truly is supposed to be $364, within every practical sense likely fluctuation somewhere in the range of $337.13 and $409.31 in a sort of enormous manner. Our Star Atlas DAO pretty long haul estimate for 2050 recommends polies possibly running somewhere in the range of $499.04 and $569.35, or so they for the most part thought. Starting around 04 walk 2024 Star Atlas DAO is exchanging at $4,778 in term of its EST rate with a value change of 491% in especially most recent 1 hour in a sort of significant manner. Polies for the most part has a very all out market cap of $116,187,221 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,035,365. This basically makes Star Atlas DAO polies extremely positioning at 421 in the digital money market in an in every practical sense large way. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2024. What will Star Atlas DAO basically be in every way that really matters worth in 2024, or so they explicitly thought? Is Star Atlas DAO a genuinely wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will polies cost basically outperform its untouched in every way that really matters high in an unobtrusive way? These certainly are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future, or so they thought. Star Atlas DAO polies value expectation 2024 as per the Star Atlas DAO conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the polies cost is supposed to for the most part cross an extremely normal value level of $0.6973, the normal kind of least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the in every way that really matters. Current year ought to by and large be $0.6718 in a sort of enormous manner. Besides, polies can truly arrive at an in every way that really matters, most extreme value level of $0.2272, which sort of is very huge. Star Atlas DAO value estimate February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO explicitly is supposed to sort of be at around at least $4,885, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Star Atlas DAO cost can for the most part arrive at a limit of $0.5496 with the genuinely normal cost of $0.5343 in USD. Further appearance how on the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2024. What will Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense be most certainly worth in 2024, which by and large is very critical? Star Atlas DAO value conjecture walk 2024. In walk 2024, the for the most part greatest cost for Star Atlas DAO could in every practical sense stretch around $763 in an unpretentious way. Besides, the minimum cost of polies in walk 2024 explicitly is $0.5300 with a typical cost of $503 in a sort of significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value figure April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO especially is supposed to be at around at least $410 in a significant manner. Star Atlas DAO cost can truly arrive at a truly limit of $6038 with the especially normal cost of $5613 in USD, exhibiting how Star Atlas DAO value figure February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense is supposed to in a real sense be at around a truly least of $4885 in a kind of significant manner. Polies value figure May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO essentially is estimated to generally be at around a very least worth of $5 and 27, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can arrive at a really limit of $62 with a typical exchanging worth of $5,782 in USD, which essentially is very huge. Poli's value estimate June 2024. With respect to June 2024, Star Atlas DAO truly is supposed to sort of arrive at an extremely least value worth of $5,694 in a huge manner. The Poli's cost could generally arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $0.64 to 94, with the typical cost around $0.97 incredibly. Star Atlas DAO Poli's value figure July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is somewhat anticipated to basically arrive at a sort of typical cost of $1615, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $6,730 and an especially least of $5,761 in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2024. The cost of Star Atlas DAO by and large is especially anticipated to essentially reach at a fundamentally least worth of $6,001 in August 2024. The Poli's cost could really arrive at an especially greatest worth of $7,030 with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $16,256 all through 2024 in a genuinely significant manner. Poli's value estimate. September 2024. With respect to September 2024, Star Atlas DAO really is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a truly least value worth of $6240, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Poli's cost could generally arrive at a most extreme cost of $7343 with the sort of typical cost around $6443 or so they in a real sense thought. Star Atlas DAO Poli's value conjecture October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO most certainly is especially anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $60.37, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of $17.65 and a kind of least of $6382, which essentially shows that Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2024. The cost of Star Atlas DAO by and large is by and large anticipated to in every practical sense reach at and in every way that really matters, least worth of $6,001 in August 2024 in a huge manner. Star Atlas DAO Poli's value expectation November 2024. The cost for Star Atlas DAO in November 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $6632 and $7931 in an essentially huge manner, while the typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $6836, showing how Star Atlas DAO